This is the latest version of my nail art, if you want to call it nail art. It's basically just OPI Euro. It's very smooth, so there is no need to add any embellishment. It sits well as is. Something to be said for OPI nail polish. It went on really smooth, so maybe it is worth the $9+ that they sell it in the stores, but we'll see. Maybe I can get a better deal elsewhere. Alright, so that is it. I like it. So this is the latest version of my nail art, inspired by Miss Jen Fabulous. I will be putting it up on my site, channel, and I hope to get good feedback from my coworkers.